do the dead chicken, but I actually forgot. So we're gonna do it on this video. You're gonna check and see it.
Okay.
And my dad and me are gonna paint it together.
Okay.
Dad, you have to paint the whole thing, okay, Dad?
Okay, what color?
Red, of course. They're always red when they're dead. Or when they get hurt. Okay.
Okay. This one or this one?
This one.
Okay. Let me clean my thing.
I put the cap on the wrong paint.
Okay, you do this red and I do this red. Everything or no
No.
legs?
Everything.
Including the legs?
But it needs to be like light red.
How about
and-
you help me?
You're gonna be dipping it and doing this a little bit so you could see the colors, and doing this a little bit just in case if you dried it up, if you did it too
Okay.
much. Kind of like, you should do it kind of
Okay.
like that.
You're not like you do.
Like,
Whatever you do, I do.
yep. Dad, you're not supposed. Oh, it's kind of like. It's kind of like.
¿Ya estás terminando o cuánto te falta?
I almost paint the table.
Ah, ok.
And I,
You
Entonces,
fix it.
¿ya voy por ti o tú me hablas al rato?
Okay, go.
Dad,
Mm.
you paint with me.
Okay.
It's kind of. Let me fix that.
Give me some.
The beak has to
okay.
be red, so
Bueno,
the beak
entonces,
should be red too. So, and
me
also the eye.
calculo y me voy
It has.
y-
It
o-
should
o espero
still
que
be
se llame.
black, so it's still black.
Excellent.
It's a dead chicken. What, like when the TNT explodes,
Mm-hmm.
the chicken is gonna be
Ok.
dead.
Ahí tú
Okay.
checas
No,
y
my
cuando
pet
ya
chicken.
Al terminar y me hablas.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Ok.
¿La agarro?
Bye.
So red. Sorry, I'm painting with my fingers, but I know this paint could come off, so I'm just gonna wash my hands.
Okay.
It doesn't stay there forever, even when I wash my
Is it
hands.
washable?
Yeah, it's washable. There.
Okay.
Dead chicken! My poor dead chicken!
Smile with the chicken.
I made it!
Okay. Say bye to your friends.
Bye. Short video.